So listen in now to the leaders who have cast their vote. What are they saying? How are they ensuring that the Phase 3 elections, where Karnataka with the remaining 14 seats and wrapping up all 28 has decided to go ahead? And I reiterate, big candidates: Basavaraj Bommai, Prahlad Joshi, Union Minister, former Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai, K.S. Ishwarappa deciding who had defected from the BJP to fight as an independent, B.Y. Raghavendra, Jagdish Shettar, former Chief Minister, and Priyanka Jarikoli are in the fray.
100% will do very good performance in this election. In first election, my lead is only 50. In last election, 2 lakh something.
Yeah, 2.5.
So, incumbency is here. So, very good atmosphere. 100% good margin. Our party will be, our voters will be support for me, sir.
My cadres, my party workers across the state will not let down the spirit of the people. The spirit of the people is pretty clear. The people of this state wants Narendra Modi ji as the Prime Minister of this country, irrespective of Congress government here in the state, irrespective of people voting Congress party in the last assembly election. But this as parliamentary election, the intent of the voters is clear. They want Modi ji once again. So I am 100% confident the people of the state will bless Bharatiya Janata Party once again.
We are going to win 24-25 seats. I got that confidence. And wherever we go, Modi, that because of that reason, we are going to win minimum 24 to 25 seats this time also.
What do you think Dharwad will specifically vote for? Because recently there was a major crime. Is that going to be a major playing field for this election in Dharwad?
No, as and when there is a Congress government in the state, there are so many crimes that is to against Hindus and against Mahila.
Another important aspect is that Congress is playing this Prajwal Revanna case very bad seriously, and it seems to be bringing a kind of like an issue for this election. Is that so?
They are not taking it further. They are trying to politicize it and take political advantage. But it is those people who have allowed him to go, because they did not file the FIR even 21st. The first clipping came out. In spite of that, they did not file the FIR. They did not detain him. And after he went abroad, all these things have started.
You have casted your vote also. So how is the winning prospect for BJP in this third phase of election?
No, today is a voting day, celebration of democracy. So I request everybody to come out, brave the heat, come out and vote and be a part of the celebration and make democracy successful.
About the political storm that has raked up Karnataka in the second and third phase, sir, involving Prajwal Revanna?
See, that is not, I should not say anything, Baba, today. It goes against the law.
So those are the reactions that have come in from Karnataka, and you're looking at Basavaraj Bommai, who just cast his vote and speaking to India Today, and other leaders as well. Let me now go across to Shibimol KG as well, who's joining us, because remember that as we stay with Haveri here, and you're looking at the candidates and how it has been for either the BJP or the Congress party. Shibimol, how's the turnout been where you are in Belgavi? It's a crucial constituency for Karnataka. What is it looking like on the ground? Are there people from the state coming out in long queues?
Well, Pooja, here where I'm right now in Belgaum, I can actually see a lot of people coming out in good numbers. In fact, since the time I've been here, there are people coming out in huge numbers. There are 2 polling booths here. Both of it had long queues until a while ago, because especially I saw a lot of youngsters coming out to vote, and most of them have come from different districts, especially from Bengaluru city, working in the IT sector. A lot of them have come to Belgaum just to cast their vote, ensure that they exercise their responsibility as a citizen, as a responsible citizen. The voter turnout here in this particular booth in Belgaum seems to be very strong. It is a very strong hold of the BJP. As we know, Belgaum has been with the BJP since the last many years. We spoke to some of the voters who said that they want more and more development projects, considering that Belgaum is being considered as a second capital of Karnataka. So to be on par with Bengaluru, they need more, MNCs and more IT companies coming to this particular district, which is being called as a second capital of Karnataka. Plus, another issue that they were raising is the drought issue. The drought has been a major concern raised by the voters here in this constituency, in this district. It's a clash between an experienced leader like Jagdish Shettar and a young blood like, Mrinal Ebalkar of the Congress party. So both of them coming against each other. Initially, we saw the Congress here campaigning, saying that Jagdish Shettar is an outsider. He doesn't know Belgaum as much as the Congress candidate knows, because we know his mother is an MLA from the Belagavi rural constituency and also a minister in the Siddaramaiah government here. So that was a strategy the Congress used initially, but Jagdish Shettar really caught up is what we are understanding, because as far as the BJP is concerned, what we understood is that there was a lack of a local face in the constituency after the demise of some of the prominent faces they had. So in the form of Jagdish Shettar, the local leadership here hopes to, have the prominent face, a face for the local leadership in a constituency that has been their stronghold for decades.
Where the Congress party that is in the state government will want to have the members of parliament in the Lok Sabha as well, while the BJP will want to ensure they may not have got the state assembly, they'll want to have as many members in the Lok Sabha. So it's going to be a very crucial fight. Now remember, Dharwad earlier with Prahlad Joshi, who's the currently Union Affairs Minister for Parliamentary Affairs, had 56% vote share. Will he be able to retain it this time? How will it progress? We'll keep an eye out on that.